In a major twist in the Gopalpur gang rape case, accused Om Pradhan's bail plea was stalled today due to a missing case filed from the lower court. The Odisha Crime Branch's recent decision to exclude Om's name from the charge sheet has raised eyebrows and sparked fresh debate. Om, previously identified by the survivor during a test identification TI parade, was allegedly to have transported two of the accused on his motorcycle. Despite this, his name is absent from the final charge sheet filed by the crime branch. Relying on that exclusion, Om's legal team was set to file for bail. But with the case file yet to arrive from the lower court, the plea could not proceed. Currently in judicial custody, Om remains one of the 10 persons initially arrested in connection with the case, 4 of whom were minors. Only 9 have been charge sheeted. The delay has ignited questions over investigative lapses and the legal process of excluding names from such serious cases, raising concerns about its potential impact on the trial ahead.
देखो गोपालपुर गणदुष्कर्म घटना पुलिस प्राथमिक अवस्था 10 जन अभियुक्त को गिरफ्त कर जेल को पठे किंतु क्राइम ब्रांच तदंत करने जो चार्जसीट फाइल कला से ओम प्रकाश प्रधान बोली जन एग्नेस्ट चार्जसीट फाइल करनी एवं ता एग्नेस्ट कौन एविडेंस ना कोर्टे पुलिस बा क्राइम ब्रांच 9 जन एग्नेस्ट चार्जसीट फाइल करची आमे से केस वर्तमान कमिटमेंट होती उपर कोर्ट को जीव सोमवार दिन आमे से केस रे बेल मूव करूँ एवं आमे आशा करूँ मान्यवर अदालत आमको बेल देवे।